Have you ever wondered how a simple, thick steel bar transforms into a hundreds of meters long giant chain? This chain is not just for any machine. These chains hold the world's largest cargo ships in place, keep the anchor steady, and save the lives of thousands of people at the bottom of the sea. Come, let's dive into this epic journey of fire, pressure, and engineering to see how these massive anchor chains are made. Please watch the full video. New friends, hit the subscribe button and select the All option on the bell icon. The journey begins with powerful, thick steel bars. These are not ordinary pieces of iron. They are high-grade special steel that can withstand extreme pressure, salty seawater, and years of continuous use without degrading. A massive bridge crane lifts these bars and carries them to the first stage of production. The first step is cutting. Using an automatic bandsaw's cold cutting process, each bar is cut to a precise length. Each cut piece is called an ingot. Every ingot weighs over 100 kilograms. Each one of these ingots will become a single link in the anchor chain. The ingots are sent to an induction furnace. Here, heat is generated not by fire, but through an electromagnetic field. In just a few seconds, the temperature reaches 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingot becomes so hot that its outer surface glows bright red like fire. Right after coming out of the furnace, pressing begins. A massive hydraulic press first bends the ingot into shape. Then, an operator inserts the hot link into the previous one. In the next stage of the press, hundreds of tons of pressure close the two ends together. This creates one complete link. The work is not over yet. Now comes the most critical step: resistance butt welding. Copper electrodes firmly hold the hot link while a high voltage current is passed through it. The steel's resistance generates so much heat that the metal melts and the two ends fuse together permanently. The link is no longer two pieces. It becomes one unbreakable metal link. While the links are being made, studs are produced on a parallel line. The stud sits in the middle of each link and protects it from twisting, bending, or deforming under internal pressure. A cold stud is inserted into the hot link. As the link cools and contracts, it grips the stud tightly in place. A skilled welder then adds small welds on both sides of the stud, so it never moves, no matter the conditions. Even after the chain links are made, the system is not complete. The most important part is the shackle. It connects the anchor to the chain, so it must be even stronger than the links. The process starts with a massive 265-pound carbon steel block. Cutting this block takes more than 15 minutes. It is then placed in a furnace at 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit for several hours. Once the block glows with the color of fire, it is sent to a 6,000-ton press. There, pressure forms the wide ears and thick body. It is reheated and then slowly shaped into an arch using a hydraulic bender. Before it cools, it goes into a forging press inside a die, where pressure fills every corner to create a perfect shackle body. Excess metal is trimmed off, and the shackle moves to the smooth grinding stage. The shackle pin is made from a 130-pound ingot. After heating, the press forms the hexagonal head. Precise threads are then cut on a CNC machine for a perfect fit with the nut. Finally, a three-step heat treatment process: heating, quenching, and tempering is performed. This makes the steel extremely strong, yet sufficiently flexible, so it doesn't crack even under extreme pressure. After manufacturing, the shackles and links undergo extremely rigorous testing. Magnetic particle testing detects even hairline cracks. Then comes load testing with 2,400 tons of force. Once they pass, the links are smoothed with grinders. Finally, they are dipped in a 10-meter deep asphalt coating pool to create a tough, protective layer that withstands salty water and ocean currents for many years. Finally, each section receives a special stamp and serial number. A giant crane lifts the entire chain section and loads it into containers. From here, Their journey begins on the deck of massive cargo ships. Storms, huge waves, and deep currents. This chain fights against everything. It holds anchors weighing hundreds of tons and keeps billions of dollars worth of cargo safe. These links, made from a simple steel bar, form the backbone of modern global trade, security, and sea voyages. When the ship drops its anchor deep in the ocean and comes to a stop, the work of this iron giant truly begins. No matter how many thousands of tons of pressure, storms, or nighttime currents come, this chain never fails, because it is created through an extraordinary combination of fire, power, science, and craftsmanship.